The Riboy District Weightlifting Association, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association and Sport Talent Private Limited, today inaugurated the Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament, a state-level event aimed at promoting weightlifting among youth. The tournament, held at the indoor hall in Linkadat, has drawn participation from numerous young male and female athletes representing various districts of Meghalaya. This two-day tournament, set to conclude tomorrow, began with a coaching and training session for the participants. The session was conducted by renowned Australian weightlifter Robert Cabas.
Yang